Hello everyone, my name is Dennis, I'm from SDCentrum and our team helps companies build scalable and cost-effective data integration and data migration solutions. And today I'd like to discuss the Microsoft Stack capabilities for data integration. Let's begin. Modern Microsoft data integration capabilities are built on top of the Azure Cloud Platform, which serves as the backbone for data management and data analytics. This toolkit is useful for both business and tech users. Here are some core tools you need to know for effective data integration in your organization. First goes Azure Data Factory. Azure Data Factory acts as the nucleus of data integration. It allows businesses to connect to various data sources, whether they are on-prem or in the cloud, and orchestrate data pipelines for moving, transforming, and loading data. With the Data Factory, data integration becomes a streamlined, automated process. Microsoft Power Query is a universal tool available in Excel, Power BI, and other Microsoft applications. It empowers users to clean, transform, and shape data with ease. Whether you are dealing with messy spreadsheets or complex database structures, Power Query simplifies data preparation for analysis. And of course, SSIS, an advanced tool for advanced data transformation and ETL. It offers a powerful tool to cleanse, enrich, and consolidate data, making it ready for consumption by analytical systems. Do you know that Azure Data Factory provides functionality to execute your SSIS packages? So you could put your SSIS packages on the cloud. And finally, Azure Functions. Azure Functions are a game changer for data integration. This serverless compute serves in Microsoft Azure Cloud Platform enables seamless data workflows. You can automate data ingestion, transformation, and integration by triggering functions in response to data events, whether it's connecting to various data sources, applying transformation, or routing data to its destination. So data integration is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity for businesses seeking to remain competitive and agile in digital age. And Microsoft provides a robust ecosystem for data integration. And if you require assistance with data integration or data migration, please contact our team today. We will design and implement a scalable and cost-effective solution for you. Thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!